Let's run your very first Docker command. This will be a Hello World container, which serves as a basic test to ensure that Docker is installed and functioning correctly on your system. We will also be running your very first container. The Hello World image is a minimal Docker image specifically designed to verify that Docker is installed and running correctly on your system. It's the perfect starting point for Docker beginners, providing a simple way to confirm that your Docker setup is working as expected. To run the Hello World container, you'll use the docker run command. The command is docker run hello world. This single command automates several steps, including downloading the image if it's not already present on your system, creating a container from that image, and then running the container. Essentially, it encapsulates the entire process of getting a container up and running with a single straightforward instruction. So, what exactly happens when you execute the docker run command? Let's break it down into 3 key steps. First, Docker downloads the Hello World image. If the image isn't already available on your local machine, Docker will pull it from Docker Hub, which is a public registry for Docker images. Second, Docker creates a container. Once the image is downloaded, Docker creates a new container instance using that image as a template. And third, the container runs and exits. Docker executes the application within the container, in this case, printing a Hello World message to your console, and then the container exits. After running the docker run hello world command, you should see the following output in your terminal: Hello from Docker. This message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. To generate this message, Docker took the following steps. 1. The Docker client contacted the Docker daemon. 2. The Docker daemon pulled the Hello World image from Docker Hub. 3. The Docker daemon created a new container from that image. 4. The Docker daemon ran that container which printed this output. Seeing this message confirms that Docker is successfully installed and running on your system. Let's summarize the key takeaways from running the Hello World container. Firstly, you have successfully run your first Docker container. Secondly, your Docker installation is verified and working correctly. Congratulations! You are now ready to explore Docker further. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.